Morning, everyone. Thank you for joining me, Ron at RY Fishing. This morning I got night crawlers, strawberry chicken, just regular chicken, and regular chicken on the other one. So let's see what we can bring in. I'm excited and pumped about this morning, so stay with me. Well, they trying me. They're out there busting in the water. I don't know if you can see them. Just got a hit on that right rod. Didn't take it down, so no need to react. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh, yeah. It's a nice fish. A nice fish. Nice fish. Come on in here. All right, come on over here. Where you trying to go? Show yourself. Yeah, there we go. Nice kitty. Nice kitty. Come on in here. My first guess of the morning. Got you hooked good too. All right. I think I can flip him. All right. All right. First kitty on deck here. He's a nice one too. Nice. You went straight for the chicken, buddy. Yeah. Great chicken. Come on. There we go. Nice kitty. Yeah, he's about a 4-pounder, easy. Yeah, absolutely. All right, let's send him back. Been fun. All right, stay with me. That's one on deck. All right, I got this one ready to go back out. All right. Go bring me another one. They out there busting in the water. Jump on my hooks. Let's make me have a great morning. Stay with me. Something's on this line. Did he let it go? He let it go. Where that rod was pulling, he just barely had it in his mouth. It is all kind of bait fish out there busting right now. Where are the catfish? I also got some night crawlers, strawberry chicken, and in the bag I also have regular chicken. So it's all out there. Let's see what their appetite is, whether they want the bait fish or they want the chicken. Stay with me. It's been about 20 minutes since I had a bite. They keep nibbling, taking my bait. Just how it's been this morning. Slack line. Oh yeah, something on here. Mm, pretty strong. Some head shakes. Oh yeah. Here we go, catfish number 2. Didn't even see him on there. Line just went slack. He was trying not to take off on me. Come on in here. Oh, you hook pretty good too. Yeah, do my bait. Do my bait. Bag up. It's all right, I got plenty. A little chunky fella. Yeah, that little chunky. I hooked you good. You hooked yourself good. All right, let's show you off. Yep, it's about another 4-pounder. Oh yeah. Say hi. Bye. Thanks for playing. He don't know where to go. He got it now. All right, stay with me. Hey, I just want to take a moment out and thank my subscribers that do watch my videos faithfully, and I appreciate it. And I would like for anybody that's new joining to hit that like and subscribe button and join along with the rest of the crew here. So I'm out here at Flying Point, Edgewood. Should have said that on my intro, but I didn't. And my favorite spot to fish. I really do enjoy being out here. Right now, there's no fishing, no fishermen out here with me. It's just me. Great. I love it. So I get to come out here and have a good time and chit chat with you all and not feel a little watch while I'm talking and not, nobody else around. So they, some people ask, what are you doing? And, I tell them. Some people, they go on and subscribe, and some people, just, go on with their lives, and they have every right to. So I'm just saying, so stay with me. Hmm. So nipping at this one rod here. See if I can catch him. On back. Mm. Tag teaming me. I was about to call this a session because I've been out here for a couple hours and I'm just getting some nibbles, and nibbles no takedown. So I'm ready to get some food in me. So I appreciate you for liking and subscribing, and stay with me, man, because I am trying to do bigger and better things, but I got to get some stuff together to do it. So stay with me.